ride through this park here. I love riding through here. People look at you so weird. Dogs barking at you. Don't like supermotos for some reason. So yeah, my name's Nick Jonasen. I haven't been on YouTube a whole lot. I posted some videos of my truck and stuff. I like drag racing. It's another one of my hobbies besides my bike here. But I've only had this bike for about a month. Oh, here's some guys here. Hello. How's it going? Duluth, Minnesota is over the bridge over there. So, called the Twin Ports. That's where I'm from, way up north. It's cold as shit up here. But, yeah, so yeah, I bought this bike about a little over a month ago. Got it registered, got my motorcycle license, all that good stuff. Before I just had my permit, but now I actually got a license. I figured I might as well, so did all that. Started riding this, and it was completely stock when I got it. It's a DRZ 400. It's completely stock when I got it, except for a 3x3 mod and Can-Am filter, really. But I changed all the plastics around, made it yellow. I got an MRD SSW sitting in the garage right now. I'm just waiting till I get the FCR, my FCR carb. It's coming in this week, but I'm waiting to put them both on at once because both is going to be lean as hell. So this little second gear clutch up wheelie, I've just been practicing. But it's really hard for me to shift in them. I'm still trying to get a hang of it. And I don't know if I want to try making it down that hill, to be honest. There's a paved path over there. I'm gonna go over there. Hey people. I think that was a gay couple. This is a nice little path. I think I'll come down here more often. Enjoy this pretty view. You know, a lot of people, they come to the Twin Ports here. Oh, hello. Hi. A lot of people that come to the Twin Ports here, they're like, oh, it's so beautiful. I'd love to live here. It's like, until you live here, you don't know how much it actually kind of sucks. Because, oh, watch out for that tree. Because, you know, this lake really kills the weather. It honestly, you can have a perfectly nice day, be all sunny, and then, boom, you get by the lake, and 20 degrees colder. You can feel your nuts fall out of your pants. I know what GoPro needs to think of. They need to think of a way that you can turn your GoPro both on and off with this remote the entire time. I could shut it off with this, but then you have to reach up and you gotta magically feel with your fingers somehow and turn it back on. It's like, there's no way I'm gonna do that with these gloves. These big meaty gloves are never gonna turn that thing back on. Let's be real. If somebody knows a way that you can do that, or somehow talk to GoPro about it and program it in there to shut the GoPro camera on and off with this, please tell me right now. So, we're going to Minnesota now. Duluth, 86,265. Oh yeah. You know, there's... get around these people. Oh yeah, that's what I love about bikes. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. Still learning wheelies, so don't make fun of me too much. Literally, when I got this thing a month ago, that's my first time ever learning wheelies officially. I've always played around with them and, you know, popped it up a couple times riding dirt bikes in the past, but I've never actually fully committed to learning and clutching up wheelies. And right now I'm just learning clutching it up in second, licking that balance point, you know, getting used to feeling the bike up there. I'm going to take it further and further until I get 12 o'clock and work that rear brake and be able to finesse it and stay in one gear. That's my ultimate goal. Do wheelies like Armenian. Oh my god, I could watch him for days. See, that was a good one. I got up there, I was comfortable, I shifted, but then it dropped down. So I'm not quite at balance point because I can't just sit there and walk it all day in one gear. That's my main goal that I want to be at eventually. You know, I'm in no hurry to do wheelies. I don't really want to fall, but, you know, I'm not saying that I won't fall. I mean, I'm preparing for it, and I'm expecting it at one point to loop it. Because to the point that I want to get where I'm fully committed, 12 o'clock, you know, riding them, I'm probably gonna loop it, disturbing all these rich people that live on this point here. I'm sure they don't like hearing people doing clutch up wheelies in front of their houses. But that's too bad because I'm learning. I gotta get my practice on whenever I can. Alright, second gear clutch up. Practicing doing that shifting in the third and so on and so forth. I got the shift. I missed the shift. Flip. Comfortable. Alright guys, that's it. My house is right here, so alright, catch y'all later.